Your legs are not becoming weaker simply because you're getting older. They are becoming weaker because your muscles are being starved of both movement and nutrition. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society revealed a startling truth. Adults over 65 with significant lower body muscle weakness face a 72% higher risk of losing their mobility within 5 years. This number points to a sobering reality. 3 out of every 4 people could have changed their fate if they had only known what I'm about to share with you today. If you've noticed that climbing stairs feels more exhausting, that you need to push off the armrest to get out of a chair, or that your steps feel less steady than they used to, these aren't just signs of aging. They are your body's desperate cry for help. The good news is, your muscles have a miraculous ability to recover at any age, as long as you give them the right signals. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises to wake up your leg strength and 3 golden foods that help rebuild muscle and fight inflammation. We'll go from the essentials to life-changing secrets. And pay close attention. The final exercise and the final food could completely transform the way you protect your legs after 60. Before we dive in, I'd love to get to know you. Please tell me in the comments, how old are you, and do your legs feel weaker than they did just a year ago? Simply type yes or no, and tell me where you're watching from. I read every single comment, and your story could be the very thing that encourages someone else in our community to take that first step toward health. Let's begin with pair number 3. This combination is designed to help you build stronger, steadier legs from 2 directions at the same time. First, you'll wake up an important muscle that many older adults never train. Then you'll give that muscle the nutrition it needs to recover and stay strong. Exercise number 3 is the side leg raise. This exercise strengthens the muscles on the outside of your hips. These muscles help keep your pelvis steady, support your knees, and prevent your body from swaying while you walk. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the backrest with both hands. Keep your chest lifted, your back straight, and your feet pointing forward. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Keep your left knee slightly bent so it does not lock. Slowly lift your right leg out to the side. Keep the leg straight, but do not force the knee. Your toes should continue pointing forward, not upward. Lift only as high as you can without leaning your upper body or twisting your hips. Hold the raised position for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower your foot until it almost touches the floor. Keep tension in the hip instead of resting completely. Repeat 8 to 12 times, then switch sides. Move slowly and do not swing the leg. Your standing foot should remain flat on the floor, and your shoulders should stay level throughout the exercise. If the movement feels too difficult, lift your leg only a few inches. As your strength improves, increase the height gradually. Perform 1 to 2 sets on each side, 3 to 4 days per week. Stop if you feel sharp pain in your hip, knee, or lower back. Now let us complete pair number 3 with a food that helps those muscles recover and become stronger. Food number 3 is eggs. For years, many older adults avoided whole eggs because they worried about cholesterol. Today, we know that eggs are one of the highest quality sources of protein you can eat. They provide all of the essential amino acids your muscles need after exercise. Eggs are especially rich in leucine, one of the key amino acids that help stimulate muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein, which means getting enough leucine becomes even more important. Eggs also provide vitamin D and choline, 2 nutrients that support healthy muscle function as you age. Instead of skipping the yolk, enjoy the whole egg whenever it fits your personal health needs and your healthcare provider's advice. Much of the nutrition is found in the yolk, making the whole egg an excellent choice for maintaining muscle strength. Exercise tells your muscles to grow. Protein gives them the building blocks. Let's move on to pair number 2. In this pair, we're going to strengthen the muscles that help lift your legs with every step you take. These muscles play a major role when you climb stairs, step over a curb, or simply get in and out of a car. Then we'll pair that exercise with one of the best foods for supporting muscle recovery and healthy aging. Exercise number 2 is the seated march with hold. Sit on a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your hands resting lightly on the sides of the chair if you need extra support. Slowly lift your right knee toward your chest as high as you comfortably can. Keep your upper body tall and avoid leaning backward to help lift your leg. Hold the raised position for 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel the muscles at the front of your hip and thigh working. Slowly lower your foot back to the floor with control. Repeat the same movement with your left leg. Continue alternating legs for 8 to 12 repetitions on each side. Move slowly throughout the exercise. Focus on control instead of speed. If lifting your knee feels difficult, raise it only as high as you comfortably can. As your strength improves, gradually increase the height or the hold time. Perform 1 to 2 sets, 3 to 4 days each week. Stop if you feel sharp pain in your hip, knee, or lower back. Now that we've activated another important muscle group, let's feed it with one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods for aging muscles. Food number 2 is wild-caught salmon. Salmon is one of the few foods that delivers several muscle-supporting nutrients in a single serving. It provides high-quality protein to help repair and maintain muscle tissue, along with omega-3 fatty acids that help support a healthy inflammatory response. As we get older, low-grade inflammation can make it harder for muscles to recover after activity. Omega-3 fats may help create a better environment for muscle repair, while also supporting heart and brain health. Wild-caught salmon is also a natural source of vitamin D, an important nutrient for healthy muscle function and balance. Many older adults do not get enough vitamin D, making foods like salmon an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Aim to enjoy salmon a couple of times each week whenever possible. Pair it with vegetables and other protein-rich foods as part of a balanced meal. Good movement helps activate your muscles. Good nutrition helps them come back stronger. Let's finish with pair number 1. This is the most important combination in today's video because it targets a muscle that many people have never heard of, yet it plays a critical role in every step you take. Strengthening this muscle and giving it the right nutrition can help you walk with greater confidence and reduce your risk of falling as you get older. Exercise number 1 is the wall tibialis raise. This exercise strengthens the tibialis anterior, the muscle that runs along the front of your lower leg. Every time you take a step, this muscle lifts the front of your foot off the ground. When it becomes weak, your toes may begin to drag, making it much easier to trip over small obstacles. Stand with your back against a wall and place your feet about 8 to 12 inches away from it. Keep your heels flat on the floor and your knees slightly bent. Slowly lift your toes and the front of your feet as high as you comfortably can while keeping your heels on the ground. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the top of the movement. Lower your feet slowly and with control until your toes touch the floor again. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Keep the movement slow and avoid rocking your body or using momentum. You should feel the muscles along the front of your lower legs doing the work. If this exercise feels challenging at first, reduce the range of motion and gradually increase it as your strength improves. Perform 1 to 2 sets, 3 to 4 days each week. Stop if you feel sharp pain during the movement. Now let's complete pair number 1 with a simple ingredient that many people already have in their kitchen. Food number 1 is extra virgin olive oil. Unlike protein-rich foods, olive oil does not build muscle directly. Instead, it helps create a healthier environment for your muscles to recover and function. Extra virgin olive oil is naturally rich in polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that help support a healthy inflammatory response. It also provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that are an important part of a balanced diet. Another important benefit is that these healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D, which plays an essential role in healthy muscle function. One of the easiest ways to enjoy extra virgin olive oil is by pairing it with the foods we have already discussed. Drizzle it over eggs, use it with salmon, or add it to vegetables as part of a balanced meal. Together, these foods provide a powerful combination of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients that support stronger muscles as you age. The strongest legs don't come from exercise alone. They come from combining the right movement with the right nutrition. Before we finish, remember this. Getting older does not mean your legs have to keep getting weaker. Your muscles can still become stronger when you give them the right movement and the right nutrition. This week, perform all 3 exercises 3 to 4 days each week, and try to include eggs, wild-caught salmon, and extra virgin olive oil in your meals whenever possible. Stay consistent. Small daily habits can lead to meaningful improvements in strength, balance, and confidence over time. Before you go, comment 3E3F, then tell me your age and where you're watching from. I'd love to know who's joining this journey. Come back in 2 or 3 weeks and let me know how your legs feel. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Senior Be Well for more simple, science-based tips to help you stay strong, active, and independent after 60. Until next time, Take good care of yourself and keep moving every day.